When you open up Safari, it brings you to this new page. And on this page, you're going to see you have your favorites, you have your frequently visited sites, you've got a privacy report, you got a reading list, and you got stuff that you may have done on your iPhone. You can show less of this by clicking here. And I think that this is just going to show you just the last maybe 5 or 6 ones here. And this one is going to show you things that have been tracking you, and it's blocked. But what I want to show you today is a really cool feature. So if you go down here, there's a little, I guess what you would call like a settings or edit icon. What you're going to do is click on that. It's going to bring up this window. And if you notice, it's got favorites, it's got frequently visited, it's got privacy report, reading list, and iCloud tabs. And if you notice at the very bottom, it's got background images. Now, I've already put a background image in here, so I'm going to show you what happens and how you can do that. If you notice, it's unchecked right now. So the background is basically on this start page is empty. So if I click here, look at that. Now I filled this in with the background. But if I wanted to use one of my own photos, now they have a bunch of photos on here that you can use. I'm going to show you right now. When I click on this, it brings down this drop-down window, and these are desktop pictures. And these are pictures that you can put on your desktop, but now you can also put them in Safari. Like let's say you wanted to put Yosemite in there. You could do that. Bam. There's Yosemite now. All right. And if you want to change it, you just come back here. You can go back to your butterfly. But here's a really cool thing that you can do. Instead of using these, you can go to your desktop and you can find a photo that you've taken that you want to put on there. So let's go ahead and we're just going to put this photo right here. And I'm going to go down here, I'm going to hit choose. And now I've got a photo of me kite surfing. Isn't that cool? And you can change it if you want. Come on back, go back to your butterfly, and there you are. So now if you want to change these various icons that they put on here, all you got to do to get rid of them, they don't disappear, they just won't be on that start page. You just click. So now, basically you got a nice clean start page. Now let's say you want to put your favorites back on there, you just click on favorites, it comes right back. Maybe you want your frequently visited. Okay, we can put that there. Or your privacy report, we can put that there. Or your reading list, we can put that there. And you can put your iCloud tabs. Also, if you notice, this is kind of cool. If you put your cursor over that little toolbar, because I've got 2 tabs open right now, so that you can see this, it shows me the other page that I have open. I come over here, it tells me I'm on the start page. If I want to open this up and look at my sidebar, I just click here. And now I've got all of these different things over here. And you'll notice that this is your reading list, and as you get rid of these, you'll see them disappear in that reading list inside of the start page. Easily. I can just jump into MailChimp, or I could jump into Groupon or my banks. And so those are things that I've already looked at. Now if I wanted to get rid of something, I could just sweep it over, because what I'm doing on my mouse is I'm going laterally and I'm sliding it over, and then it gives me this remove and I can get rid of it. Now that's gone. And you can do that with all the ones that you don't want to have in here, and it just gets rid of them. See if there's something else that I don't want. I don't know what that is, so let's just get rid of that. Let's 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 keep that because I use that. China cheap price, power double line. You know what? I don't need that. Stock Nation, I don't care. Save that. Wave, save that. Instagram, save that. Sign in, that's GoDaddy, I need that. Airbnb, need that. Need that. So I need that. Account landing, FPNL. Health.com, birthday comp. Let's go back to the top. Check center. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of that because that doesn't exist anymore. Let's get rid of that. And we'll just keep all the rest. So that's a way that you can edit it. Let's go over here. Here's your favorites. I don't know about that. I don't know about any of those. These are tutorials that I looked at millions of years ago. So anyway, if you want to collapse that, you just press there and that's that. So those are some of the cool things that they have now in Safari that you can check out. If you want to expand those, you can. If you want to contract them, you can. Frequently visit it. You notice the colors change now, they're white. And those are the new things that you can do with your Safari. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff in Apple products. Peace out.